Hi guys on YouTube, Matty17 back again. Just showcasing today this Homemaker washing machine. This is a full-size agitator model, 7 kilo. Excuse me. It was sold in Kmart stores here in Australia, which are sort of cheap and cheerful when you're on a budget kind of store. You know, they went through a period of selling home appliances, white goods I should say. They sell a lot of home appliances like cookers, toasters and sandwich presses and things like that. But they went through a period of selling actual appliances. I believe they're doing that again. But this was one of the models that they had. They seem to have this and then the same model but with an impeller plate or a pulsator I should say. These were less common, as in I only saw them in a few stores and I didn't see many people having them, and this has popped up and I just wanted to test it and see how it goes. Being like a really budget machine, I just wanted to see how it went, and you know, I'm pretty impressed. But today we're just going to do a medium load of colors on a warm wash, regular action, just on the regular cycle. This dial's quite quirky. It's you just sort of click from one phase to the next, and then in between it's like a ticking timer. So it's fairly nice, sounds nice. It's constantly ticking as well when it's turned on. So you know, it's got a little bit of a background noise. All right, but I'm going to get this loaded and get some soap in. So yeah, but we'll start it off filling. So we're going to go for a warm wash, cold rinse, regular action. So you press in for regular action. We'll try a medium water level, and then just up to the regular wash. Pull out. So the difference between the regular and the economy cycle is that this cycle does 2 deep rinses, whereas the economy cycle is shorter and only does 1 rinse. So yeah. Anyway, I will come back when I've loaded it. Alright, so I'm just going to add some ducks front loader. It's 4 front loaders obviously, but there you go. Let's have a full scoop of that. So the clothes I'm washing in here are all test washing. It's what we keep in our wash house as just test washing to test machines. You know, they do kind of get left out in the sun and the rain sometimes, so they actually are dirty when they come to be washed. So it's pretty good, but I'm not too concerned about things like powder staining and things like that. But yeah, I'll come back when it's clicked into agitation. As you can see, the agitation is actually fairly brisk, pretty thorough. Those clothes are definitely moving. They're flipping through the water quite nicely. It's one of those machines where if you knew how to load it properly, you'd really get good results out of it, I think. You definitely wouldn't go wrong with this machine if you knew how to use it properly. You know, a lot of people tend to overload these machines, only use cold water. You know, this is a true warm wash because we've got it hooked up to hot water. But it's doing a good job. I wouldn't fault it myself. compare the gentle action, is much shorter strokes, but still moving them. We prefer the regular action. This machine has just clicked into drain, dribbling down there. Very, very quiet. This pump is so quiet. But you can hear how this timer is ticking constantly. I'll come back for the spin. So it seems to hold the timer for a minute just until it's properly drained before it clicks into the spin. We're nearly there. I'd say it's about 700 RPM. Bye.